Magandang araw sa inyo. This is Joe from Practical Tech and Gear Reviews. Pag-usapan natin bakit hindi ko nare-recommenda ang paggamit ng Magic Keyboard from Apple. There are two main reasons. First reason, tingnan nyo yung presyo sa Lazada. Today is June 6, 2025. That's the current price, almost 21,000 pesos. May nakikita akong mas mura si Green Hills, around 18,000 pesos. But you get the point, mahal siya. That's almost 1/3 of the price of the main unit of the iPad M4 Pro. Second reason, the very nature of iPad is meant to be utilized as a touchscreen device. So, tingnan natin si Mr. Google. And actually, kahit wala si Google, alam natin yung reality. 79% of the users always use their iPads on the move. Meaning, sa 8 tao na may, sa 8 sa 10 tao na may iPad, ginagamit ang iPad pag nagmamadali. Nasa sasakyan, nag-YouTube, commute, nagbabasa, nasa eroplano, nagbabasa. You get the point. 20% lang yung gumagamit ng iPad using a keyboard. Pero that's an option. Hindi naman natin sinasabing hindi pwedeng gawin yun. But the point is, kung gagawin mo siyang workstation, malamang nasa stationary position ka, nasa opisina ka, nasa coffee shop ka, nasa bahay ka. At kung gano'n ang setup mo, might as well give a shot for a cheaper alternative. So, kung susundin mo yung aking recommendation, ito na yung whole package. Hindi naman nagsuffer yung pagiging compact. Ito ang Keychron Mechanical Keyboard K3 Pro. Almost 70 to 80 hours of usage bago siya malobat or ma-empty bat. Ito naman, almost 3 weeks bago maubos ang baterya. So, very practical gamitin. So, ipakita natin paano kung ma-utilize itong mechanical keyboard using multiple devices. Mayroong Apple Mac, may iPad, at mayroong iPhone. So, first screen. Punta naman tayo sa ikalawang screen. Mag-shift siya. Second screen. Screen 2. Pwede rin siya magamit sa iPhone. Screen 3. The point is, itong product na ito, you could use this to multiple devices. Kumpara naman natin ang presyo ng ganitong setup as compared dito sa almost 21,000 pesos na Apple Magic Keyboard. Itong mechanical keyboard na Keychron K3 Pro, around 4,500 pesos as of June 6 of 2025 sa Lazada. Nasa 3,500 naman itong Magic Mouse or Apple Mouse. Itong magnetic case ng iPad na may stand ay around 500 to 600 pesos sa Lazada. The same thing with this stand, 500 to 600 pesos. Kung susumahin ninyo, wala pang 10,000 pesos ang ganitong setup. Malayong malayo sa almost 21,000 pesos na Apple Magic Keyboard. Ang kagandahan pa sa ganitong setup, maraming features kang makakasama dyan. Almost 70 to 80 hours bago malobat itong mechanical keyboard. At the same time, yung clickiness ng mechanical keyboard hindi nagsuffer. Ganon din itong Magic Mouse. Magagamit mo itong devices na ito doon sa Apple ecosystem. Very useful and practical with very reasonable price. Kung nagustuhan mo ang aking mga insights, please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel. You can also check my other videos like desk setup and other tech-related reviews. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you on the next one.